Ready for the thumbnail?
I'm getting ready.
Where do you look? In the lens.
You saying that?
Straight in the lens.
I don't do this. You do this every day.
Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Today we are doing a video and we have a special guest, my beautiful daughter Ty. We are doing a comparison video for the famous, the infamous Marc Jacobs Tote Bag. And here we go. So we're gonna do a small little review and comparison video, the mini versus the small tote, and yeah, let's go from here. So here's the mini.
Oh,
Ty,
yes.
yeah, Ty has the mini, and I have the small tote. So you can really see it's a big difference between mini and small, and this is not even like the super big one.
Yeah.
So why did you prefer the mini over the large one?
I'm not really a fan of big bags, but I don't like unused space. So I don't have a use for like card slots or like little side pouches and stuff like that. Okay. So this bag on the inside, it has none of that. It's literally just open space and you can fit a whole bunch of stuff in there. So I like that. That's why I like this bag in particular.
Oh, okay.
And it carries, it holds a lot. Like I have a lot of stuff in here,
okay.
actually.
So this, I mean, this is not the large. This is the small. So this is the mini versus the small. I like how we changed the strap on Ty's. She has like the Marc Jacobs logo strap, and it's the black on black versus the one that come with it. Her strap is a lot thicker. And even the little hooks are a lot bigger. Look at this. A lot bigger. And and then she has a little cute little keychain. It comes with a little Marc Jacobs keychain. That is so cute. Now, size wise, I think this is perfect for her frame because she's so tiny. I think it's super cute for her frame, and it do fit a lot. Like her organizers and all that type of stuff fits perfectly in her bag. And inside my bag is the same. I don't have. It's like it's empty inside. It doesn't have. It has maybe like one pocket. You don't have a pocket inside?
I don't have no pockets, which is great though. I don't need one.
Oh wow, I didn't even know that.
No pockets.
Okay,
but
so
I don't like empty. Like I said, I don't like unused space.
Okay, so her mini doesn't have the two pockets in the inside like the small tote. It has two pockets in the inside. Oh, I didn't know that. All right, okay. So if you're looking and you're trying to compare, because a couple people was asking me like, oh, I don't know if I should get the mini or if I should get the small. Now you know. If you like little compartments in your bag, if you don't want to buy an organizer, the small has two compartments. The mini is just wide open. Okay, so I am a little annoyed. I wasn't going to talk about it, but I am a little annoyed about the bag catching lint. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I did a close-up video so you can check it out. But I noticed it catches, it attracts a lot of lint. And it's like really linty. At first I thought it was just from my jacket that I wore. It's like a little bear type of jacket. And I thought that's what it came from. But when Ty opened hers, and she opened hers, she got it for Christmas. And she's been carrying it for a couple days. Well, since Christmas, right? Every day since Christmas. And hers picked up lint as well. And she have not been wearing your teddy coat. Nah. Did you wear it with your teddy coat? Okay, so she didn't wear hers with her teddy coat. I wore mine with my teddy coat. And it got a lot of lint on it. I was supposed to lint roll it and then wipe it down with a dryer sheet, but I didn't get a chance to do it. So I'm going to try that, and I will definitely update you guys to let you know if that works. Yeah, it's both have the same little patch on the back, the little Marc Jacobs year of 1984, all that, la. But otherwise, other than that, I think it's a cute cute bag. I think I would have rather went with the tote. I don't know if it's the black that's attracting all the lint. Maybe I would have should have went with the tote. I don't know if y'all can see it though, but let me.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
You can really see how much lint is on here. So I am a little annoyed by that. And Ty has lint on hers as well. Not as much, but there's lint on it as well. But overall, it's a really super, super cute bag for the price. And Ty's bag, I think, is $150 for the mini. And I think this one is $175. Yes, $175. So, price-wise, I mean, you do get a lot more space in the small than a tote. So, it really depends on what you want to use this for. But the straps are both adjustable and interchangeable. So, you can change the straps like Ty did. She changed the straps on hers. And you can get these online. And if you have a Marc Jacobs outlet near you, you can get straps there too. I actually got this one pretty cheap. I think on the website is $85 and I got it for $40. So you can't beat that. Really good. You have anything to say about the bag?
It has a really good strong zipper. That's great. Keep all your stuff inside if you're like me and drop your bag often. That's
right,
great.
that's so good. Yeah, because a lot of tote bags don't have zippers.
No, they're just wide open. And the fact that it has it's like extra security. And it is really big. I can fit my water bottle in it.
Oh yeah, and that's a big water bottle.
Yeah, this is a 1 liter.
But can you still zipper it with
No,
it?
I can't zipper it, but I might be able to.
Oh yeah, you can look.
Yeah,
If you hold it here. Oh yeah, and it's still zipped.
Yep, all the way close.
Oh yeah,
so it's a really good bag, and I have my planner in here. I have a mirror. I have a little makeup holder here, but planner, and then I have a mirror. I have gum, my passport, a little wallet.
So a lot of stuff fits in there.
A lot of stuff fits in here.
So right now I'm not using mine, but when I did carry a full size wallet. And I had my cell phone, my AirPods, a bigger size lotion that can fit in here. But right now, I didn't put too much in because I'm not carrying it now because I'm just got to get rid of the lint first. But for the money, it's definitely worth it. You cannot beat it for under $200. And it's like so trendy and so cute. And I have an extra strap too. I just didn't change it out. But it's worth the money, ladies. For everybody who commented on my video, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. The only thing that the downfall for me was the lint. But like I said, you can always lint roll it and take a dryer sheet, rub the dry sheet all over it. And they say that should keep the lint from, I don't know, attracting it. Yeah. From, you know, so that's it.
Yeah.
But it's a cutie. I think I will go for another color. I probably really would go for another color. What about you? You think you would get it in another color?
No. I mean, if it had gray, black writing.
Oh, they don't.
Yeah, no.
No.
Black is my color.
Yeah, black. She like to keep it simple. Yes. All right, guys. If you have any more questions, don't forget to leave a comment in the a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't be afraid to hit that little red button and become an official citizen. Join the family. We're at 1,000 subscribers.
You hit 1,000?
Yes. Thank you.
Woo! I didn't know you hit 1,000.
Yes.
I didn't even see it.
I'm at 1,000 subscribers.
You're supposed to have like balloons or something.
I am gonna get balloons.
Okay.
But you was like so shocked. Like, oh my God.
Because that's a big thing. That's huge.
Okay, guys, that is it for this video. A little comparison with my special guest Ty. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that little red button. Don't be shy. Become a citizen. Yes. Don't you think they should be citizens?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them.
Yeah, become a citizen. Because I can't speak, clearly.
I don't know why she came shy. She has her own YouTube channel. I will link her YouTube channel below as well. But like I was saying, don't be shy. Hit that little red button and become official citizen. And don't forget, I am doing a giveaway very soon. I will be doing shirts that say official citizens. And I would like to give away 5 shirts to my official citizens. And in my next video, I'm going to give all the instructions on what you have to do to win a shirt to say Official Citizen. And that is it for this video. Until next time, Sid and Ty signing off. Peace. Alright, that is it. I think we got it. Alright, come on, get done so we can get this video done. She's tripping. And certain areas might have a Michael Kors outlet. And you can get these for like, I said Michael Kors. Let's cut that. Cut.